Hi, I'm Courtney Roulston and I'm going to share with you now my blistered tomato salad with garlic and mozzarella. I'll be using these gorgeous Perino tomatoes for this recipe for their natural sweetness, plus from the 1st to the 28th of February 2023, 5 cents from every punnet sold at Coles will be donated to the Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden Foundation, and those donations are going to go up to a massive $100,000. The foundation teaches our Aussie school kids positive food habits through growing, harvesting, cooking and sharing seasonal produce grown in their very own kitchen gardens at school. To start this recipe, I'm simply going to empty two 200-gram punnets of our Perino tomatoes onto a tray. I'm using the medley Perino tomatoes just because it gives us a nice mix of different colours and flavours with the tomatoes. Some fresh garlic onto the tray with the tomatoes. I've got a red onion and I'm just going to slice that into some thin wedges and then just scatter the onion onto the tray. Drizzle the tomatoes with some extra virgin olive oil. You want to use a really good quality Australian extra virgin olive oil because this forms part of our dressing with the juices that are going to come out of the beautiful sweet tomatoes. Season with some sea salt flakes. I've got the oven preheated to 200 degrees. These will only need around 15 to 20 minutes. You want to see those tomatoes blistering and their beautiful sweet juice kind of combining with that onion and garlic. So all the tomatoes have wilted down, their natural juices have mixed with the oil, the garlic and the onion, and this is just a tray of absolute deliciousness. I'm simply going to pop this onto a serving plate. Something that works really well with this recipe is some of this fresh mozzarella, and I'm just going to tear that over the tomatoes. This is like a mild, milky, soft cheese, and it works really well with those intensely flavoured sweet tomatoes. Then just scatter over some freshly picked basil leaves. And that is a really simple recipe and one of my absolute favourites to serve throughout summer. Now obviously Perino tomatoes are great to have as a snack, and they're also really good as a healthy lunchbox filler, or you can cook with them in recipes just like this. You can serve this as a salad with some grilled fish or some roast chicken, or you can serve it with some crusty bread, or you can just have it as it is. Make sure you get into Coles and grab some Perino tomatoes between the 1st and the 28th of February and support the Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden Foundation and whip up something delicious just like this.